And now I will introduce you to my friend Samantha. This is my friend Samantha. She is English. She is from York, England. Her address is 67 Sunshine Street and her phone number is 1904-253-445. Samantha is 20 and her birthday is in August. Samantha is a student. Her favorite actor is Brad Pitt. This is Samantha's friend Tom. Tom is 30 and he is a doctor. Tom is a football fan. His favorite sportsman is Wayne Rooney. And now let's see what we remember and what you remember. What is the name of my friend? What is the name of my friend? Her name is Samantha. She is Samantha. Where is Samantha from? Where is she from? She is from York, England. She is from York, England. And where is York? York is in England. And do you remember Samantha's birthday? When is her birthday? When is her birthday? In July? In January? No, her birthday is in August. Do you remember Samantha's friend? What is the name of her friend? His name is Tom. His name is Tom. And Tom is a doctor and Samantha is a student. Now, do you remember Samantha's favorite actor? What is her favorite actor? Her favorite actor is Brad Pitt. Her favorite actor. And what is Tom's favorite football player? What is Tom's favorite football player? His favorite football player is Wayne Rooney. What is your favorite actor? What is your favorite actor? My favorite actor is Brad Pitt. Who is your favorite football player? Who is your favorite football player? My favorite football player is Wayne Rooney.